The prevalence of malaria overall was 6%. But we see this prevalence increases as the children become older. Children 6 to 8 months had only 1% prevalence of malaria. 9 to 11 months, it increased to 2%. When you go to 24 to 35 months, that is 2 to 3 years, it increased to 3%. When you go to 3 to 4 years, it increased to 4%. And it peaked at children 10 to 14 years who had a malaria prevalence of 8%. But overall, the prevalence was 6%.
The Kenya Malaria Indicator Survey is one of the key performance monitoring tools that periodically used to provide an in-depth assessment of malaria over time. I'm pleased to note that this is the third KMIS survey that is being undertaken, and I think it is important to really appreciate the partners who continue to provide support for this, USAID and PMI, noting that the previous two were in the year 2010 and 2015. In order to ensure that our programs are working and that the resources are allocated in the best way possible, monitoring and evaluation of malaria programs is essential.
Support our efforts in malaria. We want sustainable funding. And he has committed to see that 15 countries in Africa establish End Malaria Council and Funds by the end of his term. Tied to the End Malaria Council and Funds, in terms of sustainability, is the agenda of local manufacture. Tapping into the private sector to be on the forefront to ensure that commodities and supplies used for malaria control are produced within the country.